Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Now let's tap on see all 50 apps and tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset the preferences, and as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.